Welcome to part 1 of our AI Tools series. In this video, we'll be delving into the fascinating realm of AI tools and uncovering how they can significantly boost your ROI. AI tools, short for artificial intelligence tools, are software applications powered by advanced algorithms. These tools have the remarkable ability to automate tasks, analyze data, and provide invaluable insights. Now, you may be wondering, how exactly can AI tools contribute to an increased ROI? Well, by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, these tools streamline processes, minimize errors, and optimize decision-making. The end result: enhanced efficiency, cost savings, and superior outcomes, all of which lead to a higher return on investment. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or simply seeking ways to amplify productivity, AI tools hold immense potential for augmenting your operations and driving remarkable success. So, let's plunge deeper into the captivating world of AI tools as we unveil the must-know top tools that can revolutionize your approach. Number 1. Designer Microsoft. Designer Microsoft is a user-friendly platform by Microsoft that simplifies design creation. With AI-powered tools, it offers templates, customizable elements, and smart suggestions. Save time and collaborate seamlessly while creating visually stunning designs for various purposes. Elevate your design aesthetics and make a lasting impression with Designer Microsoft. Whether you need to create eye-catching social media posts, engaging presentations, professional marketing materials, or beautiful graphics for your personal projects, Designer Microsoft equips you with the tools and capabilities to bring your ideas to life. It's a game changer for anyone seeking to elevate their design aesthetics and stand out in a visually driven world. Number 2. Flicky.ai. Flicky.ai is a cutting-edge platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your photo editing experience. With Flicky.ai, you can effortlessly enhance and transform your photos with just a few clicks. From automatic retouching and image adjustments to creative filters and effects, Flicky.ai empowers you to achieve stunning visuals in no time. Say goodbye to tedious editing tasks and unlock your creativity with Flicky.ai. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, Flicky.ai empowers you to unlock the full potential of your photos and unleash your creativity, all without the hassle of complex editing software or professional training. It's the ultimate solution for effortlessly enhancing your images and taking them to new heights. Number 3. Beta 11 Labs AI. 11 Labs is the leading provider of Prime Voice AI, offering the most realistic and versatile AI speech software in the market. With its cutting-edge technology, creators and publishers can access the most captivating and lifelike voices, revolutionizing the art of storytelling. Founded in 2022 by Piotr, a former Google machine learning engineer, and Mati, an ex-Palantir deployment strategist, 11 Labs has garnered support from prominent investors like Credo Ventures, Concept Ventures, as well as angel investors, founders, and industry experts. Utilizing 11 Labs AI speech software, you can effortlessly introduce pauses in generated text. Simply insert a line break or two at desired intervals, and the AI will intuitively adjust, delivering natural-sounding pauses. To facilitate the integration process, 11 Labs provides a comprehensive quick start guide, enabling users to seamlessly incorporate their text-to-speech API into their projects. By signing up for free, users gain access to the world's best TTS service and can leverage the API key for a seamless integration experience. Number 4. Tutorami. Tutorami is an exceptional online tutoring platform that connects students with experienced tutors for personalized one-on-one sessions. No matter the subject, whether it's math, science, foreign languages, or history, Tutorami offers expert assistance. The platform's key features encompass individualized tutoring sessions, tailored guidance, ongoing support, and progress tracking. To get started, students simply need to register, select a tutor that suits their needs, and schedule sessions. Throughout the tutoring journey, students can monitor their progress and receive the necessary guidance to excel academically. Additionally, Tutorami goes beyond tutoring services by providing an extensive range of educational topics. From physics and American history to even exploring the origins of their own names, students have access to diverse learning opportunities. With its user-friendly interface and straightforward approach, Tutor.me proves to be an invaluable resource for students seeking additional support in their studies. Overall, Tutor.me serves as a comprehensive online tutoring platform, delivering personalized guidance and support across various subjects, empowering students to achieve their academic goals. Number 5. Podcastle. Podcastle is an AI-powered platform that simplifies audio and video creation for podcasters. Its tools allow easy editing, including splitting, trimming, fading, compressing, and enhancing with AI technology. The platform can also convert text to natural-sounding voices. With automated transcription and drag-and-drop functionality, editing becomes effortless. Podcastle offers superior recording quality, adaptive AI voice enhancement, and noise cancellation, making it perfect for non-technical podcasters and bloggers. Number 6. Repurposio. Repurposio is a powerful platform that helps content creators save time and reach a wider audience by repurposing their video and audio content for multiple platforms. With Repurposio, creators can create content once and then easily transform it into multiple pieces for different social media platforms. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more, allowing users to automate the publishing process and save hours each week. By eliminating the manual downloading and uploading process, Repurposio streamlines content distribution. It supports over 15 pieces of content from a single video, maximizing the reach and engagement potential. The platform is user-friendly, requiring minimal learning time, and integrates with various platforms including Zoom, Google Drive, Dropbox, and audio podcasts. Whether it's repurposing videos or live streams, Repurposio simplifies the process, enabling content creators to focus on their craft and expand their audience effortlessly. In summary, Repurposio is an invaluable tool that empowers content creators to save time and effectively repurpose their content across multiple social media platforms. Number 7. Wonder Studio. Wonder Studio is a groundbreaking AI-powered video tool designed to simplify the creation of captivating cinematic scenes. With its automated animation, lighting, and composition capabilities, users can effortlessly integrate CG characters into live action scenes. This web-based AI platform revolutionizes the filmmaking process by enabling artists to produce films featuring CGI characters with just a few clicks, eliminating the need for complex 3D software and costly production hardware. Wonder Studio's AI technology automates up to 80–90% of objective VFX work, allowing artists to focus on the subjective aspects. The platform offers impressive features like body mocap, lighting and compositing, and face read. It can analyze an actor's performance from single camera footage, transfer it to a chosen CG character, and automatically animate, light, and render the final composition. By providing accessible tools for creating complex visuals, Wonder Studio empowers filmmakers to achieve remarkable results with minimal effort and without the burden of expensive equipment. Number 8. Too Short AI. Too Short AI is an AI-powered tool specifically designed to help YouTube creators optimize their reach and expand their subscriber base. By automatically extracting short clips from longer videos, it streamlines the process of creating engaging shorts. With its AI-driven analysis, creators can effortlessly identify the best moments from their long-form content, saving them valuable time and effort. The platform not only assists in extracting captivating moments but also provides a space for creators to share their shorter videos, facilitating audience growth and maximizing their reach. Too Short AI offers a range of features tailored to enhance YouTube content. Creators can easily curate compelling shorts from their videos, leading to increased views and subscribers. Furthermore, the tool generates AI-generated captions for the shorts, ensuring greater accessibility for viewers. With Too Short, creators can elevate their YouTube content by transforming lengthy videos into shorter, more engaging formats that are more likely to be watched and shared. This, in turn, helps maximize their reach and foster the growth of their subscriber base. Number 9. Get Code AI. Get Code AI is an AI-powered virtual assistant that can be trained on a business's knowledge base, processes, and clients to provide quick and accurate answers to questions. Code can be used to support teams, troubleshoot issues, brainstorm ideas, and help with creative work. The tool analyzes all accumulated documents and acts as an expert on all company processes to provide the answer needed in seconds. Code can be used to create custom chats for different purposes, such as marketing, HR, or support. Users can control which source documents Code uses in every chat. Code is a great tool for businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve their customer service. By using AI automation, businesses can save time and money while providing customers with more joyful CX. With Code, businesses can elevate their customer service by providing quick and accurate answers to customer inquiries. Code is also a great tool for supporting teams by providing them with the information they need to do their jobs effectively. Number 10. SiteRight SEO. SiteRight SEO is a leading provider of SEO solutions, dedicated to helping teams achieve first-page rankings on Google search results. Their comprehensive services encompass on-page optimization, high-quality backlinks, technical SEO for websites, automated blog publishing, and an integrated SEO dashboard. What sets SiteRight SEO apart is their flexibility, as they offer their services without requiring contracts or writers, making it an appealing choice for businesses seeking adaptable SEO strategies. In the realm of content writing for SEO, the structure of paragraphs plays a crucial role. According to Yoast, a mix of shorter and longer paragraphs contributes to an engaging reading experience. When tackling a sizable topic, it may be necessary to divide it into two categories and create two distinct paragraphs. This calls for a critical assessment of the topic at hand. Moreover, it's important to note that Markdown employs two-line breaks to separate paragraphs, rather than using tags. This feature proves advantageous for those who prefer writing in Markdown and later converting their content to HTML. Lastly, when generating fresh content, prioritizing word variations is key, as recycling the same paragraphs repeatedly should be avoided to maintain quality and diversity. Congratulations on making it this far in the video. You're truly dedicated, and I appreciate that. Now, let's take it up a notch with 5 bonus AI tools that you might not have discovered yet. These tools are real game changers and have the potential to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Get ready to explore some cutting-edge AI technology that will take your work to the next level. Bonus 1. Hypotenuse AI. Hypotenuse AI is an AI-powered platform that automates marketing campaigns and optimizes business processes. It generates researched content, creates full-length articles, SEO-friendly product descriptions, and artwork with ease. SiteRight SEO helps businesses rank higher in Google search by automating their content strategy with a team of professional writers and SEO experts. Bonus 2. Undetectable AI. Undetectable AI is an AI tool that creates content that is undetectable by other AI detectors on the market. It ensures that the rewritten content maintains its original meaning while being unique and human-like. It offers high-quality, legible content that passes AI detectors and comes with a watermark and future-proof feature. Bonus 3. ChatGPT prompts. ChatGPT prompts is a list of prompts that can be used with ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. These prompts are designed to help users generate human-like text in an interactive context, making it ideal for conversational AI applications like chatbots and virtual assistants. The prompts are curated to provide users with a wide range of topics, from philosophical questions to day-to-day planning, and can be used to generate content ideas, keywords, captions, headlines, and scripts. With ChatGPT prompts, users can quickly and easily generate high-quality content that is both engaging and informative. Bonus 4. Flare AI. Flare AI. offers an AI-powered design tool for creating captivating product photography and branded content. It simplifies the process by allowing users to drag product photos into the canvas, describe the scene, and edit, export, and share the visuals. Flare AI also provides smart prompting and supports advanced NLP models for understanding and classifying textual data. With Flare AI, users can create visually appealing content and enhance their product promotion on social media platforms. Bonus #5 Runway ML. Runway ML is a user-friendly platform for publishing and training machine learning models. It enables non-coders, including artists, to utilize machine learning tools for various media formats like video, audio, and text. With a wide range of models available, including object identification, content transformation, and media generation, users can input their data and let Runway ML's algorithm create specialized models. The results can be seamlessly integrated into other software like Unity and Adobe Photoshop, while the heavy computing is handled remotely on high-power GPUs. These AI tools are packed with advanced features and functionalities that will supercharge your workflow and propel your success. From cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to intuitive automation tools, they are designed to optimize your processes and unlock new possibilities, so take advantage. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information about AI tools insightful and valuable. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll share even more game-changing AI tools to enhance your marketing approach and drive better results. If there's a specific AI tool you'd like us to cover and dive into its features, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. See you soon.